is the Pregnancy Assistance Act. You guys all heard about this. I've talked about this. Where if somebody gets pregnant in high school or gets pregnant in college, there's going to be funds to take care of the baby and to take care of college, to help continue putting them through school. Now, that's all nice. What a sweet thing to do for our government. Leave it to the government to just shell out money to everybody, right? You know, honestly, if you're a family that can't afford to put your kid through school and can't afford to put your kid through college, and you are the mother of a 15-year-old slut, tell her to go to prom. Yeah, baby, go to prom. I don't care if he's 20 years old. Go out with him. You'll get to go to college. Right? This is what we're paying for here. Now, I know why they did this. I know why this Pregnancy Assistance Act is in there. That was their way of avoiding abortion. They said, look, if we could convince the female that if she gets pregnant, she will not have to abort the baby because we could take care of the baby. We'll get her the food. We'll get her the formula. We'll put her through college. Her life won't end. Then maybe she won't abort the baby. That was their thinking with this. How much money is this going to cost? You know, I mean, why don't we just teach these girls to keep their knees closed? Bolt those knees together. I mean, I don't want to get too specific and graphic, but I dodged bullets because I knew that if I got pregnant, my medical career would be over. I knew that. I knew that in high school. I knew that in the 8th grade. I knew that in college. You have to dodge bullets. And the best way to dodge bullets is to tell the guy no. Now, I know people are going, well, what if they're raped? And what if they're sexually assaulted? Okay, well, I'm not talking about that. Somebody raped and sexually assaulted, yes. I want everybody swooping in to help them. That's horrible. It's a horrible crime. Absolutely. But for these people making wrong choices, just for being horny, you don't need to have sex. For any of you 15-year-old girls listening, and I know people are getting mad that I'm only yelling at the girls, but I got to be honest with you, all right? You girls can say no. You can. You don't have to get drunk and hang out by the bleachers, right? You don't have to hang out by the boys' locker room. You could go to the library, right? You could join the physics club, right? There's always a physics club. You could join the chess club, right? You do not have to hang out by the boys' locker room. You don't have to get drunk. No. Oh, I drank so much. I mean, what are you guys thinking? Are you really enjoying sex that much? Does a 15-year-old boy really know what he's doing? Is he really satisfying you? If he isn't, you keep your legs closed. You don't need the STDs. You don't need the unwanted pregnancies. And I don't want to pay for your college. This is Dr. Daliah, sassy and stimulating medical talk radio.